Hello everyone, so this tutorial is about how I made these pockets at the side of my pants. So first stitch your front pieces at the crotch. To have your pockets symmetrical, fold your pants in half like this. Now measure 2.5, which will be our belt, and under those 2.5 measure about 5 inches, which will be the opening of the pocket, and then measure about 2 inches at the top, or maybe 2.5 inches, and then join those 2 points. And now cut that piece out. Now take a piece of cloth and fold it in half and measure about 12.5 inches long and about 7 inches wide. Draw a line, make this shape, and curve the bottom like this and cut this piece out. Once you cut this piece out, take one piece from these two pieces and attach this pants cloth with it, and then hem these edges like this, and then take this other piece and cut this shape out in it. Now put these two pieces on top of each other like this. So place the round side on top of the round side. Once you stitch this, turn the wrong side out. So your outside of the pocket will be all nice and clean. So now attach the cutout side to the pants cutout side, and this should be done on the wrong side. So the raw edge could be hidden inside. And then top stitch the cutout side too. And then arrange it like this. So pin it up and then put your big pieces which you would have attached at the crotch and stitch it to the side of the pants. Your pockets are done, and now stitch your belt. So for belt, take elastic according to your waist measurement, sew both ends together and then set it like this and stitch around. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to stay connected.